Taking user input in Python. In Python, we can take user input directly by using input function. This input function gives a return value as string character, hence we have to pass that into a variable. Syntax. Variable is equal to input. But input function returns the value as string. Hence, we have to typecast them whenever required to another data type. Example. Variable is equal to int, input. Variable is equal to float, input. We can also display a text using input function. This will make input function take user input and display a message as well. Example. A is equal to input, enter the name, print A. Output. Enter the name, Shubham. Shubham